Hey you guys, welcome to week 55 of Flipping the Farm. Okay, so today is going to be a little different. Mike is not here with me. I'm doing this all by myself. So a lot of people have asked, and we get asked a lot in person or when people visit our home, where did you get your light fixtures? Where did you get your faucets, your bed? Just different things like that. So today I would like to share with you guys all of my amazing Amazon home finds along with other things that we purchased for the house from Target, Kirkland's, different places like that. So if you'll just hang tight, we'll run through this and show you where all of this stuff was purchased. I will tell you, an Amazon affiliate. So everything that I purchased from Amazon will be linked in the description below. So if you decide to purchase something, I would love for you to click on that Amazon link to make that purchase. And I know from experience that it can be super stressful trying to search and find the perfect fixtures and things for your home when building or remodeling. Curry and Braden are going through the exact same thing right now. So I just thought if I could share some of my favorite things, some of Mike's favorite things, and help alleviate some of that stress for someone else, that might be a great thing. So once again, I just want to share these things with you guys. All right, we're gonna start in the kitchen. First of all, let's take a look at my chandelier. Personally, I think this is absolutely beautiful. It is a pretty bold statement piece in my kitchen. I will tell you, back whenever we first started planning and trying to decide on fixtures, like I mentioned earlier, it's stressful. I had decided on 3 simple pendant lights, but whenever my electrician told me it was gonna be kind of difficult to put 3 up there and get them all the same length because of the vault in the ceiling, I decided, let's just keep it simple for installation. And I ended up going with this one, and I'm so happy that I did. It's beautiful and bold, like I mentioned before. I also love the fact that we put a dimmer switch on, and it's just really great for mood lighting. Next is my kitchen faucet. This thing is simply beautiful, and I'm gonna just keep it real for you, you guys. Right here, you can see me pulling down on the hose. That's as good as it gets. That's as far as it goes. You can't pull it down deep into the sink and wash out very well. So that is the one con that I have to this thing. Other than that, it's beautiful. It's very functional. It has the straight stream, and then the shower spray, and then it's got a little stop button on it, and that makes it really nice. But again, I'm not in love with the fact that you cannot pull it down and wash the sink out, but it does create a beautiful look for my island. Next, I want to show you my cabinet drawer pulls, door and drawer pulls, that is. I went with matte black. I know they're available in a few other colors. I really love the simple, classic look that it provides. They also flow really well with my chandelier because of the square design on both. All right, let's talk about our little mini fridge. Okay, you may think this is a little over the top, but look at that. It's constantly filled with drinks. It's been really great because the kids are over a lot, and I don't want our refrigerator, our big fridge, constantly being filled with drinks and not leaving room for food and all. So this was just a little extra something that Mike and I both have always wanted. My bar stools. Oh my goodness, you guys. I really love my bar stools. I wanted a lot of extra seating because the house is obviously smaller. These are great. They have little metal plates on one side. I think they should have put them on both sides for your foot to rest on. But these are super great. I went with the counter height. They seem to be really sturdy, and I think they're going to last us a really long time. Next, I want to show you my dining chairs. Okay, you guys, I searched high and low for the best price possible and a color that I just loved. This flows really well with the wood colors that I'm using throughout the house. They're super comfy, surprisingly. They have a faux leather look to them, and the orange stitching on the actual link looks super bold, and as you can see in person, it's not quite as orange as you might think. They come in sets of 4, so I did purchase 2 sets. I only have 6 around the table currently. 1 is in Mike's office, and 1 is sitting over in a corner in the living room. And if you're a regular Flipping the Farm viewer, you know this is not our forever dining table. We will be building one soon. So for our living room ceiling fan, In case you didn't know it, it's a little bit tough to decide on ceiling fans. There are so many to choose from, and when you type in farmhouse style, quite a few pop up. This was my absolute favorite. Love the shape of the blades. It's a nice 60-inch ceiling fan, has 6 different speeds, remote control. So we are really loving this one. Again, nice bold statement piece for the living room. Okay, so now onto our bedroom. Remember when I told you about the kitchen 3 simple pendant lights that I was gonna put over the island? Well, these are those pendant lights. Guys, I highly recommend doing something like this if you are building or remodeling. We have our own switch above our nightstand there, as you can see, and the lights have dimmers on them. Love this feature so much. This is on my top favorites of things we did in the house. Dimmers on most all of our lights, and the fact that we each have our own nightlight. These come in a 2-pack, by the way, and they are super inexpensive. Our ceiling fan for our bedroom is another great fan find. We purchased one for our spare room as well as the bedroom, like you see here. Love the fact that they have the remote control, and it's just a beautiful, classic, simple look. And now for our bed frame. Just a simple, sturdy metal bed frame that was super easy to assemble. My favorite thing about it is it's low to the ground, yet there's plenty of room underneath for storage tubs. Mattresses. Oh my wow. Who else cringes when it comes time to shop for mattresses? Well, let me just tell you, this one came highly recommended. We actually got to sleep on an identical mattress for several months before actually purchasing ours. As most of you know, if you follow the Flipping the Farm vlog, we sold our house and we were homeless for a little bit and stayed with some friends who had this same mattress. So it was really great to test it out first, and I have trouble sleeping, my back bothers me, so this mattress has alleviated all my back pain, and I love it so much. Mike can sleep on a rock. I really and truly have to have a great mattress, and I would not recommend this if I did not 100% believe in it. Our bedding. Okay, you guys, I had my heart set on this black bedding from Target. It's a quilt and 2 black pillow shams. And I waited for it to go on sale, and let me just tell you, the bed, the mattress, everything is greenly approved, as you can see. I was also really picky about throw pillows, so when I saw these at Bed Bath & Beyond, I just had to have them, and I think they were the perfect addition to the bedding. Next, let's talk about these storage baskets. Guys, if you've shopped for storage baskets lately, you will know that they are not cheap. Well, let me just tell you, I found these on Amazon. They come in packs of 5. They're collapsible, and they are a really great price point. Here we are in our master bathroom, and I want to show you our light fixtures. This particular fixture comes in a variety of sizes. I have the exact same one in the spare bath with just 2 lights on it. Really love this simple design. And another one of my absolute favorite things. This pendant light is another Amazon find. I had this exact same pendant light above my kitchen sink in my old house, and I loved it so much that I wanted it in our bathroom hanging above my bathtub. Now on to the faucet. Again, another difficult thing to decide on and choose, and I will tell you that we did start out with different faucets and learned real quick that we did not like them. They just seemed like they were going to be really difficult to maintain, and so our handyman that installed them kind of helped me make that decision that I needed to get rid of those and find new ones, and I absolutely love these. Mike loves them. They're simple, they're sleek, and just go really well with the rest of the fixtures in the house. Our bathroom mirror. Oh my wow, you guys, I love this mirror so much. Our vanity is only 5 foot long, 1 sink as you see, so I wanted something big. I did not want to do 2 mirrors, so I searched all over Amazon, in stores, out of stores, wherever, and finally found this one on Amazon. It is a 30 by 40 mirror, so it covers the majority of the area above the vanity really well, and we both really love it. Our bathtub. A bathtub was a must here at the farm, especially with all these grandbabies that we're having. So this one seems like it looks a bit small, but it's actually a really great size. It had really great reviews, and one of my favorite things about it is the fact that it's got the nice wide flat edge around it, or rim around it. I'm not sure what you want to call it, but it's nice to be able to set your bottle of bubble bath or shampoo or whatever up on the top there. Next, I want to show you this bathtub faucet. Okay, what you're seeing here is a pure disaster that we still need to fix, but had our sheetrock guys known what the fixture actually looked like, this wouldn't have happened. But overall, the fixture is beautiful, and I do love it a lot. We are going to have a metal plate cut to go around it and then apply the faucet and handles to that, so it'll all be one piece and it will all cover up those openings that you see in the sheetrock. Now we're going to move on to the spare bathroom, and this is the medicine cabinet. I wanted to show you. If you follow the vlog, you will remember us installing this late in the game. I wanted it installed from the get-go. Mike said we can do it later, and we did, and it all worked out just fine, but it's just a little added extra storage there in that spare bathroom. These are just some cute and simple hooks that I purchased for the spare bathroom. I forgot exactly how many came in the pack. I'll put it on the screen for you, but they're great. They do have a little bit of a metal burr that you have to kind of file off that snags your towel, but other than that, they're really great and super easy to install. Okay, so most everything you just saw was from Amazon. Now back to the kitchen. My tile, my textured subway tile, is from Home Depot. In fact, all of our tile is from Home Depot. Really love it. It wasn't what I had originally picked out, but I am totally happy with it. Okay, for our flooring, we get asked about our flooring all the time. This is the Super Core flooring from We Ship Floors. The color is called Rich Earth, and we have installed this in 4 homes now. 2 flip houses, our friend's house, and now our home. We also had this in our last house, but it was just a different color. You guys, this is the best flooring ever. If you're one of our followers, you will see us installing this same floor, just a different color, in Curry and Braden's home very soon. All right, you guys, and now to one of our big, bold statement pieces that we really and truly searched high and low for. Finding a sectional may seem easy, but it is really not. They're either huge, 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 or super tiny. This one, I feel like Goldilocks and the 3 bears here. This one was just right. It's a modular sectional from Kirkland's. So, you know, we purchased each piece individually, which was super great. And we were able to totally customize it, and it fits our space so perfect. It's really durable and cleans really well. Trust me, I know we've already experienced a pet stain and baby spit up on it, and it cleans really well with a Bissell. Those 2 black stripe throw pillows are also from Kirkland's. I also want to mention how comfortable this thing is. I know it looks a little boxy and firm, but it is extremely comfortable, and we all love it a lot. I want to mention our countertops, you guys. We get asked about them a lot. As you know, if you follow the vlog, you saw we had some issues, but they took really great care of us. Marble Elegance in Claremore is where these are from, and the color is called Shadow Storm. Our bedroom rug, oh my wow, love this so much. It just cozied up our room a ton. It's super plush and just added extra warmth to the room. This is from Target, and it's just the cream colored shag rug. Our shower glass, our glass and doors for both bathrooms came from Oklahoma Glass, located in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Again, for you locals, these guys did an amazing job. They took such great care of us, and we do highly recommend them. All right, you guys, and last but not least is this amazing Opal ice machine. It produces Sonic style ice, and if you know me, you know I am an iceaholic. So we constantly keep the reservoir full and filled and chomp on ice all day, every day, and I'm pretty certain I'm gonna wear it out sooner than later, but I will say it is a little bit louder than I would want. We keep it in the pantry because I really didn't want it to clutter up our kitchen countertop, but I'm really glad we did that too because of the sound. This was also an Amazon find, and I did get it on sale, and I know they put it on sale pretty often. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed what you saw here. I tried to keep it real and be totally honest with you and let you know how I think, feel, or love or don't love each and every product that we purchase for the farmhouse. If you're new here, thanks so much for watching. This is not our normal vlog, okay? We bought a farm a little over a year ago and we totally renovated it, so be sure to check that out. And I would love for you to like, subscribe, comment, or even share. Again, I hope this was helpful, and don't forget, every single thing that you saw in this video will be linked in the description below. Again, I am an Amazon affiliate, but I am not affiliated with any of the other stores that were mentioned. So once again, thanks for watching.